Okay, welcome back, guys. We're going to be solving another question from the second chapter of Meriam textbook, and we need to determine the components Fa and Fb of the 4 kilonewtons force along the oblique axes A and B. And on the second part of the question, we need to determine the projections Pa and Pb of F onto the A and B axis. So we solved a very similar question in the previous one, so feel free to go to the previous question if you need more practice on this concept. So what we need to figure out, as we can see, the A and B are not perpendicular to each other, and let's figure out what's the angle between these two. So from the question we can see that the angle with F and X axis is 40 degrees, and we have A and X 15 degrees, so this angle is easy enough to find, which would be 40 degrees minus 15, or 25 degrees. So this angle is 25. Now it's easy enough to find the other angle in here because we know X and Y are perpendicular to each other, so we have a 90 degrees in here. So basically for this one we have to subtract 90 minus 30 plus 40, which is 70. So 90 minus 70, 20 degrees here. And what we need to figure out in here is to find the Fa and Fb. I'm gonna show Fa and Fb in here, so let's just clean up here a little bit. So we have in here 25 degrees, and this angle right here is 20 degrees. So for finding Fa and Fb, we have to do parallel lines with A and B. So let's do with A, and this will be the parallel line with B. So simply this would be our Fb, and this would be our Fa. So let's go with one of the triangles that we have in here. Let's go with the one at the bottom. So if that angle is 20 degrees, this angle here will be 20 degrees. And if you want to find this angle, we have 180 minus 20 plus 40, 25, which is 45. And this is going to give us 130. And we're going to look at this triangle that I'm highlighting in yellow, and for this triangle we're gonna do the law of sine to find the Fa and Fb. So we have F over sine of 135. We'll have Fa divided by sine of 20 degrees, and we have Fb, which is what we have in here, divided by sine of this angle in front of it, sine of 25 degrees. And we know F is 4 kilonewtons, so we can find Fa and Fb in here easy. So our Fa will be 4 times sine of 20 degrees divided by sine of 135. So what we get for Fa is 1.93 kilonewtons, and Fb would be simply, again, F times sine of 25 degrees divided by sine of 135. And that's going to be 2.39. So that was the first part of the question. And for finding the projection, I'm going to show the projections in green. So basically, this would be the projection on B, which we call it PB, and this will be the projection on A, which we call it PA. And since we have the angles in here, it's pretty easy to find the PA and PB. PA would be simply F cosine of 25 degrees. So PA would be 4, which is F times cosine of 25 degrees. And that's going to be 3.63 kilonewtons. And PB, if we look at the figure, will be cosine of 20 degrees. So PB will be 4 times cosine of 20 degrees, and that's going to give us 3.76 kilonewtons, which is the final answer for this. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and let me know if you have any specific questions from the 3 textbooks that we're covering in this channel, or if there's any problem with this one, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer those. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.